Hi friends, back again with more Eric Carle. Now this book is has two credits, Richard Buckley and Eric Carle, so they work together to do this book, The Greedy Python. Now it doesn't say who did what, it just says those two names, but a lot of it's the style of Eric Carle as far as the artwork goes. Greedy Python. There he is, the Greedy Python. Half hidden in the jungle green, the biggest snake there's ever been, wound back and forth and in between. The giant snake was very strong and very, very, very long. He had a monstrous appetite. His stomach stretched from left to right. He quickly gobbled in one bite whatever creature came in sight. A mouse that scampered to and fro, a frog that jumped up from below, a bat that hung from his left toe, a fish that swam a bit too slow, a bird that flew a bit too low. Wow, he ate all those things. Look at that. A porcupine still half asleep, a monkey who was in mid-leap. A leopard sitting in a tree, a buffalo who came to see. An elephant complete with trunk was swallowed in a single chunk. "I'm far too big to eat," he cried. "Oh, no, you're not," the snake replied. At last the python's meal was done, and he lay resting in the sun. The animals inside his skin were making quite a dreadful din. Look how big this python got. Goodness gracious. I think the elephant's right there. See his trunk? And when they all began to kick, the snake began to feel quite sick. He coughed the whole lot up again, each one of them, and there were 10. There he is. Coughed them all up. See them all? Goodness me. He soon felt better and, what's more, was hungrier than just before. He hadn't learned a single thing. His greed was quite astonishing. He saw his own tail, long and curved, and thought that lunch was being served. He closed the jaws on his own rear, then swallowed hard and disappeared. Oh my goodness, he's so greedy. He ate his own tail. Huh. Well, there you go. That's the Greedy Python. Sorry, the Greedy Python. And we'll be back again. I'll be back again for another book by Eric Carle. Hope you enjoyed it. Have a good day.